Hi, fellow adventurers. Mitsubishi is shaking up the automotive world again with their latest release, the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport Dakar 2025. This legendary SUV not only carries proven off-road DNA, but also updates that make it even more tough, modern and ready to conquer any terrain. Come on, let's take a closer look at what's new and interesting about the Pajero Sport Dakar 2025. Aggressive and dashing exterior design. From the outside appearance, the Pajero Sport Dakar 2025 immediately exudes an aggressive and masculine aura. The front grille with the new, larger design gives a sturdy impression, plus sharp and futuristic LED lights, ready to illuminate your night journey. 20-inch alloy wheels with a sporty design further strengthen the dashing character of this SUV. Powerful and responsive machine performance. The 2025 Pajero Sport Dakar, equipped with a 2.4L MIVEC Turbocharged diesel engine, which is capable of producing up to 181 horsepower of power and 430 Newton-meters of torque. The smooth and responsive 8-speed automatic transmission ensures every gear shift is smooth, both on the highway and on rough terrain. The Super Select 2.4WD drive system makes it ready to conquer various types of terrain, from rocky roads to sandy terrain. Advanced security and safety features. Safety is a top priority, and Mitsubishi ain't messing around when it comes to this. The Pajero Sport Dakar 2025 is equipped with various advanced safety features, such as the Forward Collision Mitigation System FCM, Adaptive Cruise Control ACC, and Multi-Around Monitor, which provides a 360-degree view for easier and safer parking. Outstanding capacity and practicality. With a capacity of up to 7 passengers, the Pajero Sport Dakar 2025 is perfect for family trips or adventures with friends. The fold-flat third-row seats provide more flexibility for cargo space, so you can carry more luggage without compromise. The Mitsubishi Pajero Sport Dakar 2025 is not just an SUV, but is a loyal companion on every adventure. With a charming design, extraordinary performance, and advanced features, this SUV is ready to become the main choice for those of you who are looking for a tough and reliable vehicle. So, are you ready for the next adventure with the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport Dakar 2025? Get ready to rock the streets and rough terrain with the latest power from Mitsubishi.